Hi guys, I have added all the videos in a Power BI playlist so you can learn step by step without missing anything. These videos are the combination of the previous video in the Power BI model and Power BI tutorial. So if you missed any videos, watch it first to understand this concept clearly. So do you know Power BI allows only the one active relationship between the tables? And that mistake breaks lots of uh, in real scenario most date-based project. In this video I will explain active and inactive relationship, why Power BI behave this way, and how to handle the multiple dates column correctly. So come on the screen and see, I have taken a screenshot of the data model. This is two table, the calendar and the sales data. In this is two relation. One is the solid line, one is a dotted line. So it is, let's try to understand the solid line first. This is solid line. If you click here in the property, this will make the live. So that's mean this is a live connection or relationship, and this is inactive. This is active and this is inactive. So you can set the relationship to the active or inactive from the either the either the edit relationship dialog box or the properties. But make sure and remember, you must deactivate it one before the active another. How would you do that? I'll explain the Power BI. So let's try to understand second thing, that is the inactive. So I have already taken the inactive screenshot from the data model. So this is two table. In this table there is a dotted line. So that's mean the click is not here. So that is inactive relationship between this table and this table. So these sales data table connected two dates field, order date and the stock date. But these are only the one active relationship to the date key in the calendar table, right? So in another way, if you check, click here, active and active like this in the properties or edit relationship, whatever you want, you can give them. So let's open the Power BI and do it practically. How can we do that? So let's open it. So this is the Power BI screen in front of you. This is the day model view. In the model view, there is a calendar lookup and there is a sales lookup. So this is a one table, solid line is an active connection, active relationship in this. Okay. So let's try to add one more ratio in this date one. This is a stock one. One more thing. If I if you observe, this is a solid line. So this is the active one. So if I want to active this, so we can activate the two things. It will give the error. See, this is the error. So click here and save. So what I told you, you need to deactivate the first active relation, then you can activate the another. So we'll do that again. There's a two way. One is right click, properties, and this one. Okay. So this become a inactive. So how can you deactivate this relationship? You can go there. Either you can do property or in the manage relationship. Where is this calendar? Calendar lookup. Edit. Oh, I didn't select it. Edit. Product lookup, not this one. This one. Edit. So make this relationship. So we can do like this, or we can do like this. Close it, and this one. Properties, and make this relationship. Then save it. So it become the solid line. So this is the way to make active or inactive table relationship between the two table, and in the two tables I can handle the date relationship like this. So this is a very useful. I'll explain lots in the coming series where the decks will start. Okay, stay tuned. See you in the next video.